Hello everyone, this is Ami Electronic Repairs. Today we are doing Samsung A51 charging ports and screen replacement. This is our A51. The screen is broken and the phone is not charging, so we're using the hot station to heat up the back so that we can remove it. And we take off the screws and we take off the cover from the back. We take off the belts, untouch the belts, remove everything from the charging ports, then we take off the charging ports. These are our new charging ports. This is new and the old one, so we take off this thing from the old one, we put it to the new one, and then put it back to our phone. Puts everything back. We're done with the charging port. So right now we take off everything so that you can take off the screen. We heat up the screen, warm it up, we heat, and then we use this knife to take off our screen. Then we take it off just like that, easy. And then we clean where there was an old. We clean the old glue. We take off the pieces of the broken screen. We clean the frame, and then this is our new screen. Our new screen, we take off this plastic, and then we do it like this so that you can pull up the belts. Yes, just like that. And then we put the glue on the frame. Put the glue, and then we put our new screen. Press it a little bit, not too much, because it's gonna break. These things are very easy to break. And then you put elastic bands. You wait for about 30 minutes to glue up the screen, and then after 30 minutes you take off the elastic bands. Take off, and then you put your everything to attach every belt. Then you put the screws, and then you put the glue here. Then you close up, put your back cover, and then you press it so that you can turn your phone on. Yes, we did it. It's turning on. As you can see, the glue, some of the glue is out, so it's dirty. So we use the alcohol, 99.9% alcohol. Then you take the cloth and dip it in the alcohol, and then you brush, swipe, and then take off all the glue. Then it's clean like this, and it's ready. It's nice. That's the old one, and this is the new one. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, comment.